This is the Unit 6 Algebra Test Part 2. The first I can statement, I can apply the associative, commutative, and distributive properties in order of operations to generate equivalent expressions and solve problems. For 1 and 2, you're going to evaluate the expression using the order of operations. For 3 through 5, you're going to simplify the expressions using the distributive property and combining like terms. The next I can statement, I can solve equations while maintaining equality on both sides of the equation. For 6 through 13, you're going to solve the following equations. I will read number 12 and 13 for you. Number 12, what is the first step to correctly solve the equation 8x plus 5 equals 15? Now imagine your river is already drawn. What would be the first step? A, add 5 to both sides. B, multiply both sides by 8. C, subtract 5 from both sides. D, divide both sides by 8. Number 13, what is the second step to correctly solve the equation 6x minus 5 equals 49? Your river is already drawn. Think about what you would do first, and now answer what you would do second. Add 5 to both sides. B, multiply both sides by 6. C, subtract 6 from both sides. D, divide both sides by 6. The next I can represent real-world or mathematical situations using equations and inequalities involving variables and positive numbers. For 14 through 17, translate each to an algebraic equation. So find that equal to word. Number 14, 3 less than 8 times a number is 4. 15, 16 is equal to the quotient of a number and 10 plus 8. 16, the sum of a number and 2 is 24. 17, the Rogers Bowling Alley charges $4 per game plus $3.50 for shoe rental. Set up an equation to represent the real-world situation. Again, set up an equation. For 18 through 20, set up and solve the following. Label your answers. Number 18, rollerblades can be rented for $5 per hour plus $3 for laces and socks. How much would it cost, C, to rent the rollerblades for 8 hours, H? Use the equation C equals 5 times H plus 3. Number 19, Yvonne scored a total of 28 points. This is 4 points more than 3 times Carl's score. How many points did Carl score? A gas station charges $2 to use a credit card and gas is $2.50 per gallon. If you use a credit card and your total is $29.50, how many gallons of gas did you get? Remember on those 3 problems, 6th graders, to label your answers. For 21 through 23, choose the correct inequality to represent the following situations. Number 21, a number is less than 9. Remember, these are inequalities. 22, A number times 5 increased by 7 is more than 23. Number 23. The total cost of 3 large sodas S and a $3.75 bucket of popcorn is greater than $10. Which inequality expresses how much each soda cost? (24) and 25 are review from our first algebra test. 24. When x increases by 3, what happens to the value of y in the equation 2x plus 2 equals y? A. Y decreases by 2. B. Y increases by 2. C. Y increases by 6. D. Y increases by 8. Number 25. Choose the correct equation for the graph above. Make sure you look over your test before you say you're done with it.